Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss how resistance changes due to temperature. Objective: at the end of this video, you will be able to measure cold and hot resistance and determine the change in resistance due to temperature. Before discussing in practical, let us discuss about cold resistance and hot resistance. Cold resistance is the resistance of an incandescent lamp measured in its off condition. Cold resistance is usually measured in ohms. A typical incandescent 60-watt bulb, for instance, has a cold resistance of about 30 ohms. Hot resistance is the resistance of an incandescent lamp measured in on condition. It can be measured by taking the voltage and current supplied to the lamp and substituting them in the formula R is equal to V upon I. A typical hot resistance of incandescent lamp 60 watt is 240 ohms. Usually, the incandescent lamp consists of tungsten filament which has a high resistance. When current is passed to the filament, it will produce light with heat. This generated heat causes the resistance to change. Place the two leads of the ohm meter on the terminals of the incandescent lamp and measure the cold resistance. Note it down. Measurement of heat resistance of an incandescent lamp. Connect the same 60-watt lamp to the AC voltage source with a switch S and a moving iron ammeter ranging from 0 to 500 milliamps all in series. Connect a moving iron voltmeter ranging 0 to 300 volts in parallel to the circuit. Energize the circuit by closing the switch S. Note the current and voltage from the ammeter and voltmeter respectively. Calculate the heat resistance of the lamp by substituting the values of voltage and current in the formula R is equal to V upon I. Compare this heat resistance with cold resistance and verify that as the temperature increases, the resistance will also increase accordingly. Replace the lamp with 100 or 200 watts and follow the same procedure. Determine the relationship between resistance and changes in temperature using a candle. Take an iron wire with a diameter of 0.5 mm and a length of 200 mm. Mount the iron wire between the two insulated terminals fixed to the wooden board. Connect an auto transformer or variac, an ammeter ranging from 0 to 500 milliamps, an iron wire all in series. Connect a voltmeter ranging from 0 to 300 volts in parallel to the iron wire. Adjust the variable to the minimum position. Energize the circuit by switching on the variac. Gradually increase the voltage until the ammeter reads 400 milliamps. Note down the corresponding voltage and calculate the resistance value R is equal to V upon I. Adjust the variac to the minimum position and switch off the circuit. Light the candle and heat the iron wire for a few seconds. Switch on the variac and increase the voltage until the ammeter shows 400 milliamps. Note down the corresponding values and substitute the values in the formula R is equal to V upon I. Compare the two values of resistance. Also, you can see that as the temperature of the iron wire increases, the resistance varies. I hope that after watching this video, you will be able to measure the changing resistance due to temperature. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.